this is not a small step forward for 3D printing. We really see it as very revolutionary. We're seeing so many breakthroughs in terms of what people are printing, what they are innovating, and not just in terms of part design, but pushing the boundaries of what the hardware can do. And, what we are doing in the software, we respond to what people are doing with their printer. We're really looking at people, I think, in our community are very much on the front lines of automation, and they're pushing the boundaries of automation. So one of the things we always kind of chuckle about, we see a lot of articles about, Industry 4.0 is coming, but it's actually already here. And Mateo is going to tell you a little bit about that today, because we already have smart machines, and we don't see them as a threat. We're not, robots are going to take over the world. We much more see automation as freeing up humans to kind of push things forward and to do more innovative things. The people who do a lot of 3D printing know that the traditional method is you got to go to your printer, load your prints, you got to level your bed, you got to make sure your first layer goes down properly, and then sometime later when your print's done, maybe an hour or 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours later, you have to run back to your printer, and you are spending, trying to do that in between the time when you're designing new products, when you're trying to maybe run a business or do research or move things forward. And there's just a lot of back and forth.
I think one of the common pains of anyone who's ever used a printer is you're waiting hours and hours for this thing to finish, and only to find that it's failed at the end. And in some cases, I know personally, I've set alarms so I can start a new cycle at 3 a.m. before any of the automation stuff. And you'd wake up, go to the printer, and your whole batch of 24 parts is completely gone. It's shot, and it's not something you want to deal with midway through the night. That's the pain I think that all of us are coming from and hoping to alleviate with 3D printing technology, and particularly with this automation.
And we have a lot of people I know who are actually trying to build a business around their 3D printing, or they're using the 3D printing to drive another business forward, right? Thornhill, exactly. And we're going to show some of your work, Thornhill, because what we see is that when you get automated, it allows you to really work on your prints, not your printer, and work on your business, not in your business. It really frees up your time to do that.